Most people struggle with money not because they do not earn enough, but because they do not use what they earn wisely. We all want financial freedom. We all dream of a life where money isn't a daily stress, but very few actually achieve it. Why? Because nobody ever taught us the real rules of money, the ones that actually work in the real world. So today, let's talk about 7 powerful money rules that will completely change your life if you start following them right now. These aren't complicated. They're simple, timeless, and incredibly effective. Let's begin. Money. Rule number 1. Pay yourself first. This might sound basic, but it's the foundation of wealth. Every time you get paid, the first person you should pay is yourself. Not your landlord, not your phone company, not your credit card. You. Take at least 10 to 20% of your income and move it into savings or investments before you spend a single rupee or dollar. If you wait until this end of the month to see what's left, you'll never save anything because there's never anything left. The rich save first and spend what is left. The poor spend first and save what's left, and that's why most people never get ahead. Make saving automatic. Set up a system where money moves to your investment account as soon as your paycheck hits. You'll be amazed at how fast wealth grows when you make it a non-negotiable habit. Money rule number 2. Avoid bad debt, embrace good debt. Debt is one of the biggest financial traps in the modern world. Credit cards, personal loans, car EMIs. They make you feel rich, but they actually steal your future. If you're paying 25% interest on something that loses value, that's bad debt. It keeps you stuck. But not all debt is evil. If used smartly, debt can be a tool, like taking a loan to buy a property that generates rental income or investing in your own business. That's good debt because it helps you build assets, not liabilities. The rule is simple. If debt makes you money, it is good. If it costs you money, it is bad. Learn the difference. It's one of the secrets of financial success. Money rule number 3. Make your money work for you. Most people work for money. The rich make money work for them. And the difference lies in investing. Every dollar or rupee you save has the potential to become an employee that works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. The stock market, index funds, mutual funds, real estate, or even online businesses, these are all ways to make your money grow. You don't have to be an expert investor. Start small, but start early. Because the longer your money is invested, the more it multiplies through compound interest. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world." He wasn't joking. It's the reason some people retire rich while others struggle till the end. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. Money rule number 4. Spend intentionally, not emotionally. Let's be honest, most of our financial problems come from emotional spending. We buy things we don't need to impress people who don't care. We scroll online, see something shiny, and boom, instant purchase. That little dopamine hit feels good, but the regret hits later when the credit card bill arrives. Here's the rule. Before buying anything, ask yourself, do I really need this? Will it make my life better 6 months from now? If the answer is no, do not buy it. Focus on spending your money where it brings value, not just temporary pleasure. Spend on experiences, education, and growth, things that make you richer in the long run, not poorer. Financial discipline doesn't mean never spending. It means spending with purpose. Money rule number 5. Build multiple streams of income. If you have only one source of income, your job, you're one decision away from financial disaster. Because if that job disappears, your entire lifestyle collapses. That's why wealthy people don't rely on one paycheck. They build multiple income streams. It could be a side hustle, freelancing, investing in dividend-paying stocks, renting out property, or even creating digital products. In today's digital world, there are endless ways to make extra money. Even an extra $100 or 5,000 rupees a month invested smartly can change your financial trajectory. The goal isn't to work more hours, it's to create income that flows even when you're not working. That's how financial freedom is built, not overnight, but over time. Money rule number 6. Protect what you build. Building wealth is one thing. Keeping it is another. One medical emergency, one lawsuit, or one bad investment can wipe out years of effort. That's why you need to protect what you have. Get proper insurance, health, life, and property. It's not a waste of money. It's protection for your financial foundation. Also, build an emergency fund at least 6 months of expenses kept separately in a liquid account. Because emergencies don't knock on your door before arriving. And when they do, you shouldn't have to swipe a credit card or borrow money just to survive. Protection isn't exciting, but it's what separates the financially strong from the financially fragile. Money rule number 7. Learn about money constantly. This is the most underrated rule of all. You can't manage what you don't understand. Financial literacy is the ultimate superpower in today's world. The more you know, the more control you have. Learn how investing works. Understand taxes, inflation, interest rates, and assets. The more you educate yourself, the fewer mistakes you make and the faster your wealth grows. You don't have to become a financial expert, but you do need to become financially aware. Watch educational videos, read books, follow credible finance channels, or take online courses. Money rewards those who respect it, and respecting money starts with learning about it. Now, let's bring it all together. These 7 money rules aren't just tips, they're a mindset. They shift how you see money, how you earn it, and how you grow it. When you pay yourself first, you build wealth. When you avoid bad debt, you stay free. When you invest, your money starts working for you. When you spend intentionally, you stay in control. When you create multiple incomes, you build stability. When you protect your assets, you secure your future. And when you keep learning, you keep growing richer, not just in money, but in wisdom. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how you think, how you plan, and how consistently you act. If you start applying even 3 of these rules today, you will be miles ahead of most people who never take charge of their finances. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Because small, smart decisions made daily will create massive results over time. So, the next time you get your paycheck, remember these words. Pay yourself first. Invest regularly. Spend with purpose. And never stop learning about money. If you follow these 7 rules consistently, you won't just become financially secure, you'll build a life of true freedom, independence, and peace of mind. Because money isn't everything, but when managed wisely, it gives you the power to focus on everything that truly matters. If this video inspired you to think differently about money, don't forget to hit like. Share it with someone who needs this mindset shift. And subscribe for more videos that help you take control of your financial future, one smart rule at a time.